What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. This is your first time looking at my channel. What's going to be on it is F30 content, F30 mods. This week I'll probably hit you guys up with some new mods that I just did to it. So stay tuned. What's up, everybody? This is just a quick overview of what I did to the car so far. Got the rims powder coated. Added some little bling there for the tire valve. Then got the blacked out end grill. And then I got a few mods on the inside that I'll have some videos about. So stay tuned.